The next deck of cards is this beautiful Archangel Raphael Healing Oracle cards. Let's pull a card from this deck and see what it has to say. Okay. It says, use your natural healing abilities. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for clearly guiding, encouraging, and supporting my healing work. I really like this, especially I love animals and working with animals, and that has got a beautiful little dog. So I feel this is definitely a deck of cards that I'll be using when I do some animal healing or working with people in a healing capacity, maybe some Reiki and crystal healing. But look at this. I love using your natural healing abilities. I feel it is really time that we all tune back into ourselves and tap into what we all have. We all have natural healing abilities. It just takes time to really trust your intuition, trust your guidance, and really rely on yourself for some inner wisdom.